Alright, so today we're going to be doing tires on this Model S here and this Model X. And first we're going to jump in, door auto opens for me, to this X and put it in jack mode. So we're going to go service, and jack mode is darked out, so we'll go to suspension and go to very high. And then we'll go back to service, go and put on jack mode. We can get out and get started and getting some tires on these things. Alright, so the first thing with these is we always use this puck. So I'm going to put it up. There's a hole here. And I use this tool to pull off these little covers for the hubcaps. Alright, so we're going to be mounting and balancing 4 Model X tires. For these we use our center clamp machine. We got this plastic ring on here so it's can't damage the wheel at all. Alright, so these are the tires we're going to be putting on. You can see inside here they have this Conti Silent foam. This is what comes standard on Teslas. It just reduces road noise. A lot of tire shops say they can't patch your tire if it has Conti Silent foam in it. It's not true. Find one that can. A lot of them will try to sell you a whole new set of tires because Teslas, a lot of them are all-wheel drive. And they'll say, oh, we can't repair the tire because it's got Conti Silent foam in it. All you got to do is tell them they just got to cut it with a razor blade, cut the patch out, pull the foam out, do your patch, and then just re-glue it down when they're done. Super easy, super simple. There's no need to buy a full new set of tires if your tire is repairable.